Sometimes you just feel a masculine urge to climb a mountain and cook outdoors with the boys. Do you want to introduce yourselves? You?
Aslam.
Yeah. Dadali and Zarli. Just hiked on the top of this mountain, and yesterday when Dadali, which is the kid of the parents that I'm staying with, we jokingly said we're gonna hike some mountains, and I said fine, let's go. And then he was like, okay, let me take you to this peak first to test your stamina and stuff. Cheeky teenager, he's testing me, but turns out that he is way somewhere there, God knows when, but way behind. So it didn't turn out beautiful for him, but the view here, look at that. That's the only guy from the group, so it's 5 of us. He's the only one who came up here with me. Apricot trees. It looks like a Eden. Holy garden. It's so beautiful. You made it. Good. Those are the other 3 boys, so we cook something. Okay, so we don't really have water. This is all I have, my water bottle, and we have to clean this and cook with it. So the other boys went to the stream, so hopefully they will get some more water if it's not dried up, and we're gonna start with this, yeah? Yeah. Disgusting, but okay.
We don't have cooking oil, so we had to start with water.
Yeah, we forgot about cooking oil.
Yeah.
And also some herbs would be nice, some rosemary or something. Do you know anything about mountain spices? No, okay.
I think we have some in here. Yes, we can use that.
I brought salt and pepper with me, but like...
We have here biryani masala.
No. No, it's fine. No water. Okay, so 3/4 of our all drinking usable waters went for cleaning of the pots, so now I have to be a bit careful. Acha. Oh, you did buy frozen chicken. Perfect. Well, that's fine.
You need some help?
No. Do you know that I'm a chef?
Yeah, I know you're a chef.
Now it's my turn to prove myself. That's not lie.
Let's see.
Ach. Fire. Huh? Ach ready? Ag. Ach is today. Ag is fire.
Yeah, in Urdu, but in our language we say rakhni.
Rakhni. Awesome. Do we put directly on the fire? Yes. Like this. Perfect. Maybe even a bit more. Let me see. Amazing. Oh my god. That's so cool. Do you guys do this often?
Yes.
It's a life, man. We don't do that.
Sing a song for us now.
Aslam will sing a song. Let's go. 3, 2, 1.
Looks like
All. Puri. Pani puri. All. Then we give it a final mix. So all the salt and pepper gets melted in the water. Some sachet Goridoli Kredunaya Goridoli Kredunaya Irmipeče Bistrapoja
Tam žučaš me prvoren, nešteja iške žuma. Tam žučaš me prvoren, nešteja iške žuma. Sumar vironi marke, kudiyen kuba. Sumar vironi marke, kudiyen kuba. Iyo devi juri, yembarem viron tingi, kupuni shoni kulike.
Gotcha. Let's try. Maybe 15 more minutes.
now we are gonna eat kimchi.
How about you guys?
We go in the city.
But not me. I suppose you have many of those, but you bring like food.
Yeah, we have
Bread and just drink the milk.
You don't drink alcohol, no? You're all Muslims, I suppose. And you? Pakistan is not great for food hygiene. So I'm not so strong now. 600 push-ups a day. You do?
Yeah.
puke is for onion.
In English, puke means like throwing up. Who normally cooks? You roll on a stick.
Actually, we don't
onion.
bring this like chopping board and stuff with us. We don't use this chopping board and stuff.
Yeah.
You cut on the rock.
Yes.
That's fine, just very bad for the knife. And I didn't want to ruin your mother's knife.
Oh, it is a restaurant. We go there and we play.
If you're
free, you can join us.
No, not difficult.
must be a good game, because you can play it every day for 3 hours.
It depends.
It depends upon the pocket of each other.
So you're the rich friend. Dada.
Yes, Dada.
I learned that life here is very simple. There's rarely electricity in this whole town. The Wi-Fi almost never works. These kids don't go to university. No, it's very different where I'm from. Is it better or worse? I cannot say. But it's fun for sure.